I'll be.
You know what?
Bulletproof.
What? You're recording?
Hi.
What? Yes, I'm Angela.
I'm Celeste.
Something. Hey guys, I'm Angela.
I'm Celeste.
and we are
AC with a twist.
We're back. Yes, it's been a while. What are we making today? I seriously don't know what we're making today.
Today we're making pastelillos de guayaba, which are guava pastries. This recipe was requested. This recipe was requested by Teresa.
So we're gonna do it.
But yeah, I'm gonna show them our renovating.
I don't know.
So we made some upgrades. We got a new oven. Stove. Yeah, I forget that every time. But we got a new stove because the other one broke down.
Yep.
We love that. Okay, so that's what we got. We're gonna start. So this should be a quick. This should be a quick recipe. Okay. Anyways, it's been a while, so
Let's update you.
a little update. We got chickens. They started laying eggs, so we're gonna use one of their eggs.
We have this one. We have
This
a
is-
tan color
This is the one that they laid versus the one at the start.
that we usually use. So we're just gonna use this one.
Okay, so anyways, we're gonna start. Wash your hands first. Okay.
What? We're washing our hands. We're washing our hands. Our first ingredient is puff pastry sheets,
And
we're bringing it back.
yeah. Last time it wasn't as fun, but
Who knows?
I mean, no, not fun, but it was a little odd.
Is that normal? Is that normal?
Yeah.
Okay. I touched the nasty thing.
We need a rolling pin. And you
Oh!
know what else we need? Special cutter.
Mommy, is that normal? Delicious.
But hopefully this time it won't do that. And then the big ingredient, guava paste. Can you hear that? That's our dad working on the garage while we make a
Loud.
video.
Okay, moving on. What are you gonna
So we also need an egg, and we're gonna use
say? The egg our chicken laid.
yeah. So first up, we're gonna get out our puff pastry sheets. We also need
A pan with parchment paper on it. Ow.
puff pastry, and we let it thaw for a while. So okay, anyways, this one looks normal.
It's normal.
I'm gonna show you us trying to unravel it. So I honestly did not know that last time. Oh, where is it? One, and then obviously the coupon.
Saved 75 cents.
So let's put this aside, and then we're gonna unroll this one. You can do it. Boom! It actually looks normal, unlike last time. So now we're gonna put that aside, and we're gonna work with the guava paste. So we have our cutting board, and we're gonna cut it into fourth inch strips like this. I'm gonna cut it like that, and then in half, and we'll see how many that makes.
Oh, and we're gonna be using a knife. So in this part, make sure to have your parental supervision.
We've never dealt with guava. We never had guava paste or anything. So,
This is a new experience.
oh, it is sticky. Oh my gosh.
I
I do not like that feeling.
It has a funky smell.
Do here.
Oh my gosh, don't cut your fingers. You don't
Oh
want to
my
touch that because
gosh.
it's too sticky. Yucky! You can do all the touching.
Yeah. Okay, I'm cutting it while she's complaining about the smell.
Hey, I want to cut it. Whew. You need to hold this still.
No. You hold it. You're a big girl.
Holy moly, it's thick. I did it! I did that one. Cutting it like that.
Then I put it down and then cut it in half again. Yeah, you never remember what we're making.
Hey now.
You're a rock star.
Come here. Come here. Come here.
Hi. I'll give you a little nyaki nyaki.
Oh, come on.
A little nyaki nyaki. Now, we're going to take the pieces of guava and we're going to put them on the puff pastry. And we'll show you how. Do you know how, Angela?
Look at my glove.
Probably not. You don't need your glove. Oh my god. This girl. What are we gonna do? We got a girl that doesn't want to touch anything.
I touched it as long as it's not cream cheese.
And
or
guava.
this.
We're gonna show you how we're gonna put it.
I don't know how I'm putting it.
Yeah, I know. The funny thing is that I showed her a video on how to do this right before we started. And then she doesn't know. You throw her in the trash can. So there's 3 rows, so we should stop moving your gloves. We can't hear.
It's only one.
Okay, 3 rows, so we should be able to make 3 pastries on each side.
Oh, I did it without sticking to it.
Okay, so now we have it like this.
So
We're gonna take. Okay. We're gonna put less guava, and she says she likes some with cream cheese. So we're gonna put some, like a row with cream cheese, and then some with guava.
I had to switch my glove.
Yeah. But 2 things that Angela hates touching the most in one video. So I'm gonna cut this in half and just put half of it. Then we'll take all these off.
How do you open this?
It literally says open.
I know, and I was trying to tear it.
Good. We got the fillings. Okay, so we got the fillings in. We have a lot
More guava, less guava, cream cheese.
So now we're going to take the second roll of puff pastry and we're going to put it on top. This doesn't look too pretty.
I did it better than that. Why does ours look so sad compared to hers in the video?
Oh, so now she remembers the video. Good job, Angela.
Wait.
No, turn sideways.
So, we're not messed up, you are. Yeah. That's not nice.
Say you're sorry.
I'm sorry.
Okay, now we're gonna take a pizza cutter and we're gonna cut into the sections to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9 sections.
Simple math.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Now we have them cut like this. We're gonna make an egg wash with our egg that our chicken laid. So we're just gonna put 1 egg in here and mix it up. Ta-da!
That's the egg that our chicken laid.
We're gonna take a brush and we're gonna brush some of the egg on top of these pastries. Okay, so our pastelillos de guayaba, oh my gosh. Okay, so our pastelillos de guayaba are ready to be baked. We're gonna preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. If you want to, you can add slits on top of it, and that's what Angela's gonna do.
We did all of them. Can you help me?
No, they already saw it. We're gonna bake it for 25 to 35 minutes. The oven is now preheated to 400 degrees, and we're gonna put them in. They are now done, and this is what they look like. Now we're gonna let them cool, and then we're gonna put powdered sugar on top of them, and then serve them. Here we have, not here, you're in the way, Angela. Here we have our Puerto Rican pastelillos de guayaba. We're gonna put, boy,
You wanna go great?
He's a grumpy doggy. So what we're gonna do is put some powdered sugar on top. Ta-da!
We are going to plate them so our parents can try them.
Are you ready to try?
It's good.
So we're so smart and we forgot to do the outro. So this is our good enough one. So that was our Puerto Rican pastelillos de guayaba with a twist. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Blah, 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 blah. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.